A very warm welcome to all the students of ABBHS High School Lonavala. Standard 6, Subject Geography. Lesson number 6, Importance of Ocean. Introduction. Children, in previous standard, we have studied the lithosphere and hydrosphere of the earth, the proportion of land and water on the earth, and also the major oceans. Children, there are 5 main oceans. Let us see the area of each oceans. So here are 5 main oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Area in square kilometer: Pacific Ocean area 16 crore 62 lakhs 40,977 square kilometer. Atlantic Ocean 8 crore 65 lakhs 57,402 square kilometer. Indian Ocean 7 crore 34 lakh 26,163 square kilometer. Southern Ocean 2 crore 3 lakh 27,000 square kilometer. Arctic Ocean 1 crore 32 lakhs 24,479 square kilometer. Got it, children? The hydrosphere includes all the water bodies that exist on the earth. These cover all oceans, sea, rivers, their tributaries, lake, reservoirs, groundwaters, etc. Of the total global water, 97.7% is contained in oceans. Living things in the hydrosphere. Students, we always see the living world around us. There is considerable diversity in the living world on the earth, on the land. Same, the living world in the water or hydrosphere is many times greater than the living world on the land. And it has a much greater diversity. You can see through this picture. Let us move further. Students, if your mother cooks your favorite dish and she forgot to add one ingredient, salt. So, when you eat that, immediately you understood the taste and you will request or tell your mother to add salt, isn't it? So, salt gives you taste. Let us find out from where we get this salt. For that, let's do one experiment. Take some water in a steel dish. It is better if the water is from a bore well. Keep the water in the direct sunlight and wait till the water get evaporate completely. You must notice that after the water evaporate, a whitish layer is left in the dish. If you taste it, you will find that it is salty. You will realize that this is salt. This is salt in the water. In drinking water, children, the proportion of salt is quite low. But water from ocean and sea has greater amount of salt. Hence, it tastes salty. So you may ask me question, teacher, how oceans and sea water taste salty? Right? So here is the answer. There is abundant aquatic life in oceans. Smallest to biggest different type of living things are found in oceans. Once they die, their remains accumulate in ocean. All rivers flowing from mountainous area finally meet the oceans. Sediments from eroded means damage, land, trees and bushes flowing with the water, dead remains, etc. enter the ocean with this river water. In the both process, children, the dead remains decompose, releasing various minerals and salt in the ocean water. During volcanic eruptions, different minerals, ashes, and gases are added to the water. This increases the level of salt and minerals in the ocean water. Due to the continuous evaporation of oceanic waters, the proportion of salt increases. So children, all these things makes the ocean water salty. Got it? Salinity. The term salinity refers to the amount of dissolved salt that are present in water. Salinity is expressed in terms of mils. Mils means particles per thousand. The average salinity of oceanic water is 35 degree. The Dead Sea is known to have the maximum salinity. It is 332 degrees. Now, let us find out how we obtain salt. So, children, we obtain salt from the salty waters. Salt as a substance is obtained by constructing salt pans in the coastal areas, as you can see in the picture. Many minerals like phosphates, sulfates, iodine, etc. are also obtained from sea. We get fish from rivers, lakes and seas. Catching marine animals is one of the ancient occupation of human beings. Marine animals are also used for production of fertilizing, pharmaceuticals and also in research. In India, people mainly consume prawns that is Columbi, clams that is Tisre, crabs, shearfish that is Surmai, pomfret that is Paplet, mackerel that is Bangda, Indian shark that is Mori, Indian salmon that is Ravas, etc. Same, we obtain pearls, moti, shells, decorative things, etc. from seas. Not only for food, but we use fish also for medicinal purpose. The life of the people from countries have a coastline largely depend on the seas, especially if there are few other occupations. Seychelles, Mauritius, Maldives, etc. are some of these. So children, here we end up today's session. We have studied following points. Living things in the hydrosphere. Importance of ocean. Why ocean water is salty. Salinity. Things we obtain from sea. Right? Now you will read the lesson and note down important points. Thank you children. Stay connected. Take care and keep learning something new.